I think it's an incredibly exciting time for digital signage. I feel I've been in the industry for 9 years, 8-9 years now, and it's getting increasingly more interesting because of how we're powering these screens. Like, what is the content is becoming so much more interesting. We're not just selling hardware now, it's really bringing these screens to life. When we look at hyper-personalization and integrating it with AI, able to have that content that's relevant, I think that's where it starts becoming a little bit more sexier. It's a little bit more, I don't know, it connects with the viewer. So whether that's the customer, the passenger, it's a much more sticky experience when it's personalized. So that's what I really enjoy about the direction that this market's taking. It's the stickiness of it, the engagement. So you're getting exactly what the retailer, the airport, the landlord wants. You're getting that engagement and you're making a memorable experience, and it's all about memorable experiences.
I think, as we discovered in the roundtable, there isn't one retail. You've got the mom and pop stores, you've got the big chains, you've got the massive chains, the Tesco's and Sainsbury's as well, and you've got the luxury end. And they have a very, very different market condition. The mom and pop stores have no budget, but they want to do interesting things. They want to stand out on the high street. So for them, a simple LCD system, maybe with leasing to make it affordable for them, is the way to go. And financials are the thing that we need to innovate on. At the luxury end, budget is no problem, but it's that squeeze middle where I think we are. Over the last 10 years and probably in the future, we will have problems selling AV systems into them because their struggle is, can we afford the floor space? Can we afford the stock? And I don't think signage is going to change their business very much.
I think the major thoughts about what I have about this roundtable session is that everything is connected. So we talked about software, we talked about sustainability, we talked about installations, and what I see is maybe most interesting topic is AI nowadays. It is kind of a buzzword, but yeah, that's eventually what it is. And I think everything is connected to each other. So if you talk about sustainability, you're automatically also talk about the installation parts and about AI. Because yeah, we're dealing with the same problem in different areas in our industry.
What's next? I think we're in a period where there isn't a what's next for a while, for the reasons stated, as in the alignment of the stars being this, improving technology and lowering price. I think that's a very key thing to get across. So what's next is trophy projects like the Sphere. Takes us to a new level. You go to space, you see the Sphere. Everybody goes to Vegas, you see the Sphere. That's a big headline thing. Everyone in the should we say, the moneyed areas of the world that we both know, Middle East has talked about quite a lot, they'll be looking at that and they'll be thinking, actually, we want one of them, but we want it bigger, we want it better. So that's what's next, and that's got to come out of someone's head. I met the guy who designed the Sphere. He designed it 11 years ago. Came out of his head, he's an architectural specialist, and came to life.
I think an AV roundtable is really boring when everyone agrees. What we need is different views of the subject from different angles, and I thought we had that today really well.